Gibson on the Black Dog ride. It's a bit warm, yep. T-shirt weather. I'm probably just going to have a t-shirt and a vest. We're waiting here for the briefing. The organisation's fantastic at these events. But not a bad turn up, probably 70 bikes maybe? I don't know, I can never judge it.
Probably there's a few more out the back as well.
Yeah, a few.
Yeah. Good on a hot day.
Oh, it's going to be great.
Well, we got through the traffic and now we're heading up the Putty Road.
Better.
Glorious autumn day's ride. It's going to get like a 36 or something today, and how glorious is it?
It's a bit hot, isn't it? It's lovely, yeah.
Yeah, I don't mind it, but it's,
this is all sort of new since last I was here.
Oh, is it? Yeah, no, it's all been done up well, and they have the bands in it too, so they've got their own beers on tap now, so yeah.
It's good, it's good. Loads of people. Yeah, I like it.
Harley Crescent on the left there, street sign on that. Yeah, the old Kim does well here.